two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Cash App account. Follow these steps to enable this feature quickly. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon of the account tab, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Security section. Tap on it to access the security settings for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled two-factor authentication or security code. Toggle the switch to turn it on and follow any prompts to set it up. Step 5. Confirm your settings. After enabling two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your phone number or email. Follow the instructions provided to confirm your settings and ensure everything is set up correctly. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Cash App account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information updated for a smooth verification process.